I'll let go of it. You can hear the turbo spool.
Yeah. Ooh, it's like a whistle. Ooh, big bump. Damn, that exhaust. Deafening everyone.
I don't know why, but Laura's Arch, because of the buildings all over the place.
Oh, the reflection. Yeah, the echoes. Why do I keep on saying reflection?
I don't know. No idea.
No, like, oh, cause yeah, reflecting is like bouncing off. Oh, okay. Oh, there was this other chick on some YouTube video. I think the guy was driving what was it? Was it an Aventador Roadster?
Yeah.
She's like getting a video and the phone flew. Like it fell off.
Did it survive?
I don't know. But they went back to get it. Gonna cause havoc in Melrose. Everyone's gonna hate you.
Yeah, I know. It's okay.
Already started. Sure. There's carbon. Look at him. He was looking at you like
What an asshole.
damn it. I lied. These things still exist.
What?
The Hummer. Damn.
Yeah, we should actually go into the parking lot. Do you know how loud it is?
Don't you want to park and get a drink or something?
I'll park in Rosebank.
Okay.
And then you can hear. The guards know me well, but
Everyone at the restaurants. Probably like, what an idiot.
what an asshole. We see McLarens all over the place. And here's this guy in this little pocket Mercedes, thinks he owns the place.
Oh man. Now that bevel as well. Look at him.
It would be nice if my car was clean.
He's even shaking his head.
Ah.
He's not even noticing anything.
No.
Guess not everyone
Nobody
cares
smokes
about
a lot
cars.
of weed.
Everyone cares about cars as much as we do. It's actually double panoramic. Is Mr. Lamborghini gone?
No, still there.
What?
What do you do? Like, you take a photo, then what?
He was like, I'm gonna be here for the next 5 minutes. It's literally 10 minutes now. There he is.
Where? Where is he?
Look by the Aventador. Just outside.
Oh.
Wow. Oh. Los Angeles, man. Oh, wow. Damn, man. Whew. New A-class.
You can adjust your seat how you want to.
No, it's cool. It's sitting low down. It's awesome. Well,
This guy's gonna go deaf.
okay. I'm 3 actually. Oh. Competition.
Thanks, bro.
What did you do to this car?
Just exhaust.
It's for the cricket for today.
It's open.
Alright, sharp. Thanks.
See the RS4.
Oh,
The
where?
ramp just passed now. A wagon. Hello.
The 5-pod system in that car sounds good, huh?
Which
The
car?
Volvo. It sounds like an RS3. I think it's
Oh.
like a C130 or something.
C30.
C30.
Yeah. They once done like a 400 horsepower hot version, but they didn't put it on production. In that blue Volvo color.
Let's see if they're all cross.
Let's see. Reaction video. Just looking at the buildings around.
Neeks.
What the
My
hell?
car's not loud enough.
What about that? Hello. You wanna go to the basement?
Yeah.
This says kachink. Hello. Damn, it's so Gosh. Look at him.
We'll do launch control around there.
Hello. Launch control. Bro, this thing is so loud. Damn.